There is a lot of lag right now. Hmm. I don't know how I can smooth in the delivery to YouTube. Um, let's see. Not ideal. Looks like I need to upgrade my laptop, doesn't it, guys? Because she's obviously struggling. Oh. It's my laptop. Let me see. Check, check. You should be able to hear me. Everything's very slow though. I think there's a really big lag. Maybe. It's my laptop. Yeah, I can hear myself. So. Check, check. You should be able to hear me. Everything's very slow though. Thank you, thank you. I think there's a really big lag. Maybe. Yeah, I can hear myself. So. The lag is definitely there though. I need to get a new laptop, man. Thank you, thank you. What time is it? 10:15. New York. The lag is definitely there though. I need to get a new laptop, man. What time is it? 10:15. New York. I wonder if we're gonna reach that buy side liquidities today. Because the fact that we're in London already, in London close, but there's no reason we shouldn't be able to. Yeah, delay's crazy, man. I wonder if we're gonna reach that buy side liquidities today. It is what it is, though. Because the fact that we're in London already, in London close. But this week, like I said, it looks like we're creating a Wednesday low. Then again, yeah, it looks like Wednesday's got the low, which would mean that Thursday and Friday I'd like to see start running. And then we can start looking at Purge and Revert. There's a video by ICT called Purge and Revert, and he explains how after the reversal day, which would be today, we want to see. I'm looking for yesterday's high to get taken out, basically, which is all the way up there, but I'm looking for yesterday's high to be taken out for me to then confirm, okay, Thursday and Friday we're likely going to run into Monday's high, and then whatever buy side is really simple above that as well. Wednesday's got the low, which would mean that Thursday and Friday I'd like to see start running, and then we can start looking at Purge and Revert. There's a video by ICT called Purge and Revert, and he explains how after the reversal day, which would be today, we want to see. I'm looking for yesterday's high to get taken out, basically, which is all the way up there, but I'm looking for yesterday's high to be taken out for me to then confirm, okay, Thursday and Friday we're likely going to run into Monday's high, and then whatever buy side is with above that as well. But it's wild. What's Dixie doing? Dixie's consolidating. And GBP's struggling. But it's wild. What's Dixie doing? Dixie's consolidating. Like I said, the fact that when London closed, you can anticipate a run on stops. But I don't understand how the rule applies in days like these. Like London closed, ICC states like, oh, you can expect a pullback or a tracement during that period, which is where I guess all this longing could be endangered. And also we've created relative equal highs again, you know. Like I said, the fact that when London closed, you can anticipate a run on stops. But I don't understand how the rule applies in days like these. Like London closed, ICC states like, oh, you can expect a pullback or a tracement during that period, which is where I guess all this longing could be endangered. And also we've created relative equal highs again, you know. See that fast kind of movement there. See that fast kind of movement there. Why do I use a 3 minute? I don't. When I'm trading, it depends on whether I'm scalping or I'm entering a trade or whatever. I don't use a 3 minute like that. I was just on it. It really depends. If I'm entering like a longer trade, I'd usually use the 15 minute. Like, but generally, if I'm gonna be trading like scalping, it'll be the 1 minute for sure. But the 1 minute, it can get very like. Usually with the 1 minute, I'll have two screens, and I'll have to have one that's like on the 15 minute just to keep myself in check, because it's easy to get lost. It really depends. If I'm entering like a longer trade, I'd usually use the 15 minute. But yeah, I was just on it really. Nothing in particular. If I'm gonna be trading like scalping, it'll be the 1 minute for sure. But the 1 minute, it can get very like. Usually with the 1 minute, I'll have two screens, and I'll have to have one that's like on the 15 minute just to keep myself in check. But yeah, the fact that if we do fail to take out this buy side up here today, that's definitely going to be tomorrow's draw. But like I said, it's not impossible for us. Not like price could easily take that, draw it out. And the reason I got this out marked out is because I'm looking at how prices remaining below that 50% level. If we like trade through it and close above it, then this session we likely will want to continue higher and run to the buy side. But you can see our volume is staying below that 50% level. It's respecting bearishness. So I don't know, man. And pound's just moving crazy as well. So like see here, there we go. That's the kind of fast movement that you want to see if we are going to be going in that direction. But like that's when you gotta look at dollar, sorry, and make sure that's matching. I don't know, man. And pound's just moving crazy as well. So like see here, there we go. That's the kind of fast movement. Looks like a 2022 model's forming. If we are going to be going in that direction, but like that's when you gotta look at maybe. Dollar, sorry. Make sure that's matching. What's Dixie doing? The reason I'm expecting the reason I want to see Dixie fall lower as well is because this level here on the 1 hour, was it? Again, wicks. This is a breaker, high, low, higher, high, and you can see we've closed lower, so we came back up. And what did we trade to? 50% level off that wick, which is the low off the breaker. So I anticipate a breakaway from that level, you know. But then where would we want to go to? Well, we have relatively equal lows below here. The reason I want to see Dixie fall lower as well is because this level here. But like I said, the way that we gapped, if you watched yesterday's video, I don't know if you have, but yesterday's video saying the way that we gapped was not ideal. Like I didn't want to see us gap higher like that. It shows bullishness, so to speak. So it's not ideal if we're expecting low prices, but hey ho, you know. So this is now an inversion fair value gap, and then we have another fair value gap that's now formed here. Now you can see our price. Well, I don't know yet. It could still trade into it. However, if it stays open, that's more ideal. And the reason that's more ideal is because that can act as a breakaway gap, and we're taking out that high. So now that we take this, one, I mean, it's things like this that are supportive of a certain direction. But again, I'm used to London closes being a run on stops, but like I said, the fact that we didn't start the move higher until after 8:30, it seems like that run on stops. I guess you could argue that we're running on London's stops, like we're taking out all of London's move, you know. But yeah, and then another thing we can look at as well, I don't think we've taken out Asians high yet. But let's see. No, we haven't. So That's Asia's high. So Asia's high is a level in general that price may want to refer to. I guess you could argue that we're running on London stops, like we've taken out all of London, you know. And then, like I said, that's that Dixie level. So, you know, it's doing its thing, man. And what time did we have the expansion? 10:30. It's important to take note of these things. But what I would do if I was in a trade, I'd take our 50% level above Asia, and then I'd let the rest run and see if we could take out the buy stops. Assuming we get to Asia's high, which we should do, because price should want to take it, you know. And like I said, that's that Dixie level. So, you know, it's doing its thing, man. And what time did we have the expansion? 10:30. It's important to take note of these things. And then let's look at the midnight candle. In fact, let's look at the Asia's low as well. Because Asia, you got to remember, it's a consolidation. So if it's a consolidation, we can use it as a almost a range, because it is a range, I guess, low to high. And then again, you mark out the 50% level off it, and we treat it the same way you treat a fair value gap. And the fact that we're trading through it, you know, you can expect to find support at certain levels at it, you know. But let's see if we can get up there. And let's look at the midnight candle. In fact, let's look at the Asia's low as well. Because Asia, you got to remember, it's a consolidation. I am going to mark out 50% level of Asia just to see how it acts around it. We can use it as a almost a range, because it is a range, I guess, low to high. And then again, mark out the 50% level off it, and we treat it the same way you treat a fair value gap. And the fact that we're trading through it, you know, you can expect to find support at certain levels at it, you know. I like to see aggressive movement through levels like that. We also have a kind of a breaker. Low, I'll show you now. Low, swing high, low, low. So what do? We can cast that level up. And then where does that -1 level match? You know? There's two levels here that price will likely want to draw to through measured ranges. So these are all confluences that are supporting a certain direction, which is something to take into consideration. But I don't know, man. We just speculating. Kind of a breaker. Low. I like the look of this. Low, swing high, low, low. So what do? We can cast that level up. And then where does that -1 level match? You know? There's two levels. But it would be nice to see Asia's high. It would be nice. These are all confluences that are supporting a certain direction, which is something to take into consideration. But I don't know, man. We just speculating. Damn. I need to be so angry that dollar bills. And this is what I mean by GBP's moving weak. Look at this. Look at this. GBP hasn't even managed to take out that high. GBP may not even take out that high by the looks of things. Let me see. Yeah, it's a bit wild right now, man. Price does like to do this though. It'll come down to close to the level that it wants to, the south side. It's consolidate a little bit longer, and then it'll grab it like during Asia or something. And this is what I mean by GBP's moving weak. Look at this. Look at this. GBP hasn't even managed to take out that high. GP may not even take out that high by the looks of things. Yeah, it's a bit wild right now, man. Price does like to do this though. It'll come down to close to the level that it wants to, the south side. Let's consolidate a little bit longer and then it'll grab it like during Asia or something. I'm looking at this level. Is it going to respect it? Is it going to trade through it? If it respects it, then we're likely going to go lower to a deeper PD array. If it goes above it and closes above it, then we're likely going to continue higher. And that's the beauty of consequent encroachment. Volume didn't even get inside of it. That's crazy. What time is it? 10:37. Look at that. Same thing. These are just things to look at though. And also, all of this I learned through, again, back testing, is when you start to recognize little things like that. And that's the beauty of constant encroachment. Tired, man. Technically, like I said, this level is a breaker, so we need to see how price treats it. But again, London close, man. Should be the end of the day, really. Kinda. I tend not to trade after 12 o'clock. I tend not to trade the London close in general, to be honest. So for me to be live streaming and just looking at this now is incredible, because I'm sure New York would have been much more fun. See how we're running lower now, aggressively too. And why are we running lower? Because we saw here we failed to take out that 50% level. Here we failed to take out that 50% level. And then look, displacement. And this kind of displacement as well. That might be that's what I keep saying this. This might be that London close run and stops that I was talking about, how London likes to run and stops. Also, we kind of have a mitigation block, low, high, higher, low, break higher. So there's a level down here that price may want to draw to. It's a shame we didn't reach that that Asia high though. But what can you do? What can you do? Like I said, Asian range might get it. But I don't know. We're just speculators. Another thing we need to take note of is this breaker as well. This whole range is technically a breaker, and that's purely because dollar took out that high, and you'll see that euro never took out that low here, right? So that means dollar can trade into this range comfortably. What's that? Inversion fair value gap? Indeed it is. Look at that. Treatment. For us to continue lower now, this range, I want to see get respected. Oh, we don't even touch it. Damn. God damn. High, low, higher, high. If we break lower, that means that this is a breaker, which means that we could be selling all in this this high, this level to this level, assuming we are going to take out this low, which we probably are. Look at those relative equal lows. This level to this level, yeah, this level to this level, we should be comfortably selling in if we are going to be taking out that low, because it's like an anticipated breaker. There's 50% level off it. See how we treat it. High, low, higher, high. If we break lower, that means that this is a breaker, which means that we could be selling all in this high, this level to this level, assuming we are going to take out this low, which we probably are. Look at those really people. It's wild, man. This level to this. We're going up to that silver bullet time. Silver bullet, silver bullet. Ah. Yeah, this level to this level, we should be comfortably selling in if we are going to be taking out that low, because it's like an anticipated breaker. There's 50% level off it. See how we treat it. I'm probably gonna end this stream soon, man. This price action's been disgusting this week anyway, man. Wild, man. We're going up to that silver bullet time. Silver bullet, silver bullet. Ah. That's wild, man. Back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. It's crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Price action's been disgusting this week anyway, man. I'm looking to see. That's wild, man. Yeah, this ain't good. Oh my god. I'm looking to see. Yeah, this ain't good. Oh my god. If this still manages to take out the Asia high, I will be very, very confused, man. That's wild. That's wild. Right, I'm gonna end this stream, man. Nothing much going on, man. If this still manages to take out the Asia high, I will. This is just craziness. It is actually craziness. I haven't seen price action this like messy in so long. The whole day's been messy. Everything's been messy the whole week. Just messy, 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 messy. Right, I'm gonna end this stream, man. Nothing much going on, man. If this has the cheek, oh my god. Does it have the cheek to go and take it? Does it have the cheek? Have you got the balls? Come on, Euro. Have you got the balls? These rare equal lows though. Has she got the balls? She might just about have the balls. That's crazy. You can take it. Go on. Go on. Double donkey there, yeah. Double donkey there, yeah. This is the level I'm talking about, by the way. This I'm not too concerned about. I'll get there eventually. But this, if it has the balls to do that now, Double donkey there, yeah. Double donkey there, yeah. This is the level I'm talking about, by the way. This I'm not too concerned about. I'll get there eventually. But go on, a triple donkey there, yeah. Balls to do that now. A triple donkey there, yeah. Ideally, this doesn't touch that wick. Ideally. Go on, a triple donkey there, yeah. Triple donkey there, yeah. Look at it. Go on. Has the level been taken out yet? Triple donkey there, yeah. Go on, go on, go on. You're funny. Ideally. Look at it. Go on. Yeah. Triple donkey there, yeah. Go on, go on, go on. Is it gonna grab it? Is it gonna grab it? Remember, this is Asia's high, guys. And I was watching it leave that level, thinking it doesn't want it, and now I want to see it take it. It should take it. Should have done it during London, but hey, do it now. Why not? Go on, you're nearly there. You're nearly there. Is it gonna grab it? Is it gonna grab it? Remember, this is Asia's. Go on, guys. Go on. Da, 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 da. I'll let you. You're allowed to trade into that. You're allowed to trade into that if you want to. You can touch it if you want. But hey, do it now. Why not? I want everyone to give it a big round of applause when it takes out this Asia high, because this is incredible. If we take out this buy side liquidity, that means we're very bullish, and that means tomorrow will be lots of fun. But like I said, Asia will probably do that anyway. Like, if it takes out this, it'll probably go and take out that, you know? You know what I mean? Damn. Damn. God damn. Well, there we have it, guys. Right. Well, we're not there yet. Now, I want to see if it goes to the buy side. Shut it. This is crazy. All that consolidation for what? Then again, this is the macro time now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Oh my god, you missed the move. Yeah. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But it is interesting though, because let's look at this. We had the Asian consolidation standard. We come down, we come to a very nice discount. As we come down, we take out sell stops, resting below here. We then trade higher, and then we have the manipulation during. One second. We have the manipulation as we open during New York. We come lower. We come back to the original consolidation. Where's the original consolidation? GBP, baby. It's over here. So you can see we leave that and we come back to it during. So, yeah. There needs to be some kind of manipulation, right? So we come down back into it, trade back to this order block, and then we expand higher. We have a nice breaker here. Low, high, low, low. Price comes down, offers a beautiful entry. Buy that. Run right up to this high here. Also the midpoint of the Asian range. We consolidate. It does some absolute bullshit. Excuse my French. Maybe I shouldn't be swearing on here. It does some bull crap. And now we're just taking out the buy side. Guys, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. I just gave myself a like. You can't make this up. Anyway, I should probably get going, man. That's incredible shit. Where we traded to, you know? You can't make this up, man. There's never fails to impress. So what are we looking for tomorrow? Well, now that we've taken out this high, we have a nice breaker, don't we? Low, high, low, low. So this level here. But you'll see this in today's video. But this level here, I'd like to see a retracement into. We could be buying up all of that. Beautiful. And then we can run up into one day's high for the rest of the week. Craziness, right? It's almost as if it's an algorithm. But you'll see this in today's video. But this level here, I'd like to see a retracement into. We could be buying up all of that. Excuse me. I'm based in the UK. The United Kingdom. Craziness, right? It's almost as if it's an algorithm. But I'll be in Dubai pretty soon. Dubai? Dubai? Craziness, craziness. The United Kingdom. But I'll be in Dubai pretty soon. Dubai? Dubai? What I found interesting about this move, though, everyone is moving there. For real, man. What I found interesting about this move was the fact that we respected the Asian range low so well. So you can see we consolidate around him. We kept wicking down, wicking down, wicking down. And even at this point, where we literally probably dragged how many people out of the market, dragged them all out, we still continue to respect this level, the bullish order block. And you could, and we, this is, I think this is where context comes in. I'm from the US, but based in Thailand. That's cool, man. Based in Thailand, that's so cool. I want to go to Thailand. I was saying this is where context comes in, because yeah, this is an order block, and you can say, oh yeah, you bought the order block and whatever, but you need it. The fact that it's the low of the Asian range adds support to that theory. So let's take that off. More, more. Where's she going to? There should be an imbalance somewhere though above this swing high. Let's see. I was saying this is where context comes in, because yeah, this is an order block, and you can say, oh yeah, we bought the order block. So we got here. The fact that it's the low of the Asian range adds support to that theory. And we got yeah. Oh, never mind. Looks like we might get a breaking market structure. Breaking market structure. No. Yeah, it's probably gonna close at one of these levels and pull back. Where's it gonna pull back to? It's gonna create a range. It's gonna pull out to equilibrium. We're gonna open tomorrow. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come into this level, probably 50%. We're gonna buy it, and then we're gonna run up into the Sunday opening and Monday's highs, on Thursday and Friday. But that's enough for me today. If you like this live stream, I can always do more. It's gonna create a range. It's gonna pull out to equilibrium. We're gonna open tomorrow. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come into this level, probably 50%. We're gonna buy it, and then we're gonna run up into the Sunday opening and Monday's highs. Excuse me. I guess was that a no? Oh yeah, I guess. Silver bullet, I guess. Yeah, expansion, anything like that. Guess it is what it is. I have. This is the first time I've used the Asian range like that, though. That's incredible. Like, I'm actually really impressed. Let's see what GBP did. Ugh, GBP's not. GBP's pretty weak right now. She's alright, but you know what I mean, man. She's alright. And that dollar's gonna continue to dig deeper. Cause when she start going, she don't. But tomorrow, now that we've had clear expansion as well, we should be able to get in on some nice movement. Right, that's gonna be everything from me, guys. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment if you liked it or whatever. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.